In this video, we're going to go over 12.2 homework about the measures of central tendency. And remember that you need, in order to earn these additional 4 points, you have to click on the videos. You can just click and open. I recommend that you watch them, but you can just click and close, click and close, click and close, and that will earn you 4 points. So now we're going to start working on question number 1. Find the mean for the following group. So we recommend all you have to do is add 115 to 55 to 85 to 55. Let me see if I can get the graphing calculator to show up. There we go. So here we have the graphing calculator with us. Okay, so what you will do in this exercise, you can use a graphing calculator or you can use your scientific calculator. So we're going to add 115 to 55 to 85 plus 55 plus 75. So you add all of those. We have 5 data, so we divide it by 5, and that will be the solution is 77. So we'll check the answer. Okay, and we go to the next question. Clear the calculator. It's also asking you to find the mean. So again, the mean will be the sum of the data divided by the amount of data that you have. So 3.3 plus 3.6 plus 6.7 plus 8.8 plus 5.9 plus 9.1 plus 3.3 plus 2.2 plus 6.2 plus 7.1 plus 9.3. So hopefully I didn't miss any decimal points, and then we count the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So find the sum, enter, and we divide it by 11. And make sure that you pay attention to the amount of decimal places. It says round to 3 decimal places. So after the decimal point, we have 954. The 4 is followed by a 5. So this is going to be 5.955. 5.955. 5.955. 5.955. And we check the answer. Good. Okay, question number 3. You do not have to complete. You will omit this question. I already gave this. I removed the question from the homework. Next, for the following set of numbers, find the median. So in order to find the median, you have to write the numbers in order. Even though I'm going to use a calculator just to enter the data in order so that you see the display. So for median, we always put the data in order. So that will be 30. And then I'm going to put as if I'm adding it. So 30 plus, next we should have 35 plus 38 plus 42 plus 51 plus 55. Again, I am only using the calculator to display the data in order. So here we have 6 items in the data. So the item that is in the 3rd position, in this case we have 38. And then if you count from 55 back, 55, 51, 42, notice that 38 and 52 are the 2 items, the 2 data that are in the middle. So in order to find the median, since we have two numbers that are in the middle of the data, after you place it in ascending order, that means from lowest to highest, in order to be able to find the median, you will have to add 38 to 52. So I'm going to clear the screen and I'm adding 38 added to 42 and divide that number by 2. So the median is 40. The median is 40. Okay. Next, find the median of the group of data items. So this is the same thing. We have to put the data in order and then we have to find out which one is in the middle. So again, I'm just using the calculator to put the data in order, and then I'll decide if I have to add the middle number or if it is the one that is in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So since we have 11 items in this data, we will not have to add and subtract the two middle ones. All we have to do is put them in order, and the one that is in the middle will be the median. So I'm going to start from lowest to highest to input this in the calculator. And again, I am using the addition sign only to separate the data and to show you how to put them in order, not to actually add them. So we have 1.8. After that, we have the next one is 2.2, 2.2. After 2.2, it will be 2.5, the next one in order, 2.5. Oh, the decimal point, Dora didn't give me the decimal, 2.5. Then the fourth one after 2.5. Oh, we have two items that are 2.5, so you have to enter them both, one after the other, 2.5. Then, will it be 4.2? No, it will be 3.3 is the next one, 3.3. 3.6. Then we have 3.7. What else? 3.6, 3.7. I believe the next one in order will be 4.2. After 4.2, it seems that we have 5.1, 5.1, and then we have 5.2. Again, I only use the calculator to write them in order. I'm going to count them to make sure that I have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Seems that I am missing one, so I do have the 4.2, 2.5. I have 5.2, 5.1. Oh, yeah, I have 5.2, 2.2. It is there. 2.5 is there twice. 4.3. Oh, I was missing 4.3. So I'm going to move the cursor. Let's see if the calculator allows me to insert. That's the one I was missing, 4.3. So that goes after the addition sign. So I'm going to try to see second insert, and I'm going to enter 4.3. And I need the plus 5.1. and then 5.2. Okay, so now I have the 11 items. So the one that will divide the data in half is the one that is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the one that in the 6th position. If you look, if you have, it seems that it's 3.6 because I have 5 numbers below, and then after 3.6 I also have 5. I have 3.7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my median is the data that divides the half and half after you put it in order. So the median will be 3.6. Okay. Next, Find the mode. So this is my favorite one. The mode is the one that is repeated the most. So the mode here, we have 46, only one, 43 once, 49 once. We have 39 twice, 40 once, 47. So since we have one number that is 39, repeated twice more than any other, your mode is 39. Okay, next. Find the mode. So again, the mode is the one that is repeated the most. 6.2, 8.4, 9.6, 7.3, 8.8. 8.8 is there twice. 7.8, no, 9.3, 8.2, 7.1 is there twice. So therefore, we have two that are repeated the same amount of times. So this one is called bimodal. So it will be 1.8 separated by a comma, 7.1. It doesn't say that you have to enter them in a particular order, so it should not matter. So let me press enter. So you could have entered 7.1 first and 8.8 second, and it should have been counted correct. Number 8, find the mid-range. So to find the mid-range, all you do is add the lowest plus the highest. So the lowest here seems to be 85, so we'll add 85. Add it to the highest, that is seems to be 91. So you get that number, get that sum, and then you divide that by 2. And the mid-range is 88. Mid-range is 88. Okay, and then the last question, number 9. Find the mid-range for the following group of data items. So again, the mid-range, it is the lowest plus the highest, the sum of those two, then divide by 2. So the lowest, it seems to be 2.2. 2.2 added to the highest. The highest is 7.8. It seems that is 7.8. So we'll add 7.8, find the sum, then divide by 2. Notice that I found the sum and then I divided by 2. If you don't do that, I'll show you what happens. If you do this, 2.2 plus 7.8, and then you divide by 2, we are going to get an answer, and it will be the wrong answer. Okay? If you want to do it all at once, you will enclose 2.2 and 7.8 in parentheses, and then divide by 2, and that will give you the correct answer, that is 5. Okay? Okay, so that's it for this homework, and let me see. Oh, do we have one more? Let me check. It seems that there is one more. Okay, question number 3, I said omit this question, so we're not having to do these questions, but when you do it, this will be already graded for you, so you will make 100. Okay, so you don't have to worry about question number 3. Goodbye. Let's say goodbye to Dora.